New information tonight on that fiery helicopter crash in the Grand Canyon. We're hearing for the first time tonight from people who know the tour pilot who remains in critical condition at UMC. 13 Action News anchor Mahsa Saeidi is live at UMC right now with an update on the survivors for us. Mahsa.
And Steve, UMC tells us that all 4 victims are still in critical condition tonight, and it could be more than a year before the investigation into this crash is complete. 10 days later, those who witnessed this helicopter go down are still haunted. 3 people killed.
Explosion and flames, something you don't want to see ever.
But seconds later, a sight witness Lionel Douglas will never forget. A woman in the steep, rugged canyon walking away.
That was the first thought that came to my mind was, oh my goodness, in this tragedy, God is still there.
She is one of 4 survivors. Tonight, the first time we're hearing from a friend of the pilot.
I know that he's more concerned about the others than he is himself.
Jimmy Hewitt says he met pilot Scott Booth in Long Beach more than a decade ago. The father both physically and mentally strong.
He's a person that is calm and usually under control.
Tonight, air tours over tribal lands not as regulated as inside the national park are facing new scrutiny. This as the NTSB is looking into whether the chopper was equipped with technology to prevent fiery explosions. Hewitt says Booth has skill and experience.
I would get in the helicopter with Scott. I mean, I would feel very comfortable about it.
And the company that operated that helicopter says they fly about 600,000 passengers a year. They are fully cooperating with investigators. The family of the pilot has asked for privacy. Reporting live, Mahsa Saeidi, 13 Action News.
Mahsa, thank you.